how to watch live on TikTok without them knowing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. After logging in, whenever you try to watch a live by simply going to the home page and tapping the top left live button, what happens is the live will open up and it will show your username among the people who have joined. Basically, whenever you join a live, it will say you have joined and display your username so others will know it was you. If you don't want that to happen, here's what you can do. Tap on your profile icon at the top and you'll see a small drop down button. Tap on it, then tap on Add Account. Here, you can actually create a new account that doesn't contain your real name. Simply create a new account using your email, Facebook, Apple, or other available options. After you create the new account, make sure the name isn't associated with you. Now, whenever you watch live using this alternate account, people will not know it's you. And yeah, that's the basic trick for it. So that's basically how you can watch live on TikTok without them knowing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.